Like what the fuck is body as apparatus? Body as apparatus is sort of my way of talking and thinking about the body as a vessel or as a tool itself or as an apparatus itself, um, in the creation of art in general, but also very specifically things that are tied to corporality. So, things that are tied to the flesh, things that are tied to gazing upon the flesh, being in the flesh. This particular workshop collection is called Textual, and I came up with it because I want us to get back to writing. I think writing, while it is very difficult for me, writing is a very difficult thing for me. It is also a lot of what keeps me hygienic spiritually, if this makes sense. So it's like it's a part of my spiritual hygiene. You know how you wake up every morning, you brush your teeth. When I write, it's sort of like doing that. When I write, it's sort of like brushing my teeth. That's kind of what I equate it to. Some people may equate it to something else, and we'll sort of talk about that. But this first ceremony is called word porn. I am going to introduce us to language collection, oral and written forms, as a form of art making. Um, Specifically, and within the context, a lot of times what these will be talking about is, again, being in the flesh, being gazed upon in the body, being a part of society or culture in a body, particularly one that is oftentimes and more likely to be sexualized, especially because of what a lot of us have in common in terms of the activities that we do, and that we enjoy, right? Um, okay, the things that you say, the things that you write, and the things that you read will help you form your reality. This is something that I absolutely believe. And so when we're talking about word porn and we're talking about the textual and what all of the textual involves, we're talking about the things that we say, the things that we write, and the things that we read. I have a question for everybody. Um, What is your relationship with words? Let's talk about it. What's your relationship with words?